So today we're gonna go shopping. Yes, shopping. I love shopping. Who doesn't? I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite apps that I like to use that I've just recently discovered. Like literally, I actually really love this app. You know, trend setting. So yeah, the app that we're going to go shopping on today is Couture Lane. OMG. Don't click away. Don't click away. First things first, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to download this app. You guys can click on the link below, or if I can get a link like somewhere up here, like click on it and download the app because you're going to discover how dope it is for real. This app is literally Pinterest, Instagram, and a fashion blog. It's like they all made a baby, they all made love, and they created this app basically. Like that's what it is. When you click on it, you get to your style feed. You get to like kind of tap into like what's the newest trends or like what you see people wearing or what's like the latest news in like the fashion. So like apparently Brody Jenner is disappointed Caitlyn Jenner did not attend his wedding. What? That's rude. That's harsh. Why wouldn't you attend your son's wedding? Come on, Caitlyn. Come on. Like I would have never known that if I never went on this app, to be honest. And then you also have, you know, Team Vogue. If I could pull clothes off like on the runway, I don't care. Like I would be that type of person that will wear it on the street. Now we're gonna discover on the app. It has just like all these like different posts of clothing, and they're all from like different boutiques. Bags, clutches, boots, cocktail party dresses, hats, sunglasses, heels, jackets, tops, crop tops, blah blah blah. You know, I know I'm super late on this, but I just really like the camo pants. But these are like $28 at J-Bads, sold by J-Bads. That's like a boutique. These are 28 bucks. How can you go wrong? But like, I don't know. Ooh, this is cute. This backpack. Ooh, they have different colors. I like the blue one. The blue one's super cute. I'm like a backpack person. Let's add that to the wish list. I'm gonna have like a lot of stuff in my wish list. That's cute. It's different. I don't really know what it means. AN. It's only $18. What? Ooh. This is only $18? The red one's super dope. Enough with bags. I kind of like actually need outfits because I need tops, but I really like shoes, shirts, and pants. I don't know about you, but like I'm so bad at picking out tops. Like I just don't like wearing tops. I don't know how to explain it. I just like wearing like freaking sports bras around the house or like crop tops. This is cute though. Ooh, those are cute. These chains. I really like these pants. But this whole outfit is super cute. Ooh. These are only 40. Okay. These might have to do. Like these are so cute. Are these in my wish list? Who knows? They are now. On this app, there's always more. Like I'm always just like adding stuff to my wish list or like finding new things and, you know, like thinking, am I gonna actually wear those? Like literally what I'm like talking to this picture. This is definitely one of my favorite sites on, or like boutiques. It's called Dirty South Vintage. They definitely be having some cute stuff on this boutique, and I'm always just find myself like going through it. I could go on here forever. I don't want to make this video like super long as I still continue to scroll. But like, you know, I don't want to bore you, but this is just too fun. This is cute. Okay, I'm glad I just kept going because that's cute. What else? Ooh. They have like different colors. I kind of like the silver. Like, you know, like I was really into gold. I'm kind of getting into silver again. I really am liking this boutique. Let's go check it out. I wish I had someone like sitting right next to me. Like I wish Ashley was here or something, so he could like help me pick things out. Should we do a post? Take a photo. That is so ugly. We're gonna wait. Let's cancel. But I really want a pair of camel pants. I don't care. What color? Orange? Pink? Yellow? Or red? The yellow ones are pretty dang cool. I kind of like the orange, but I think I'm gonna go with the gray. So I actually just came up with a really good idea because I cannot decide. There's so many things that I want, like I can't decide. So I thought it would actually be fun if I go to Instagram. I'm gonna go to Instagram and you guys are gonna control what I buy. So I'm going to, you know, put the pants up, like the camo pants, and I'm gonna say, should I get purple or gray? And then I'm going to, you guys can vote on which ones I get. And so in the next video that I do, you guys will see what you guys chose for me. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it didn't turn out to be like a pointless video, but you guys still came to see me shop. Like when I shop, I don't always buy something right away. Like I'll think about it. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then go right now. It's at daniofficiall with 2 L's, so you guys can keep a lookout for the story on when you guys control what I buy. I can't believe I'm doing this, but this is so fun. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, make sure to go get the app Couture Lane. I'm obsessed with it, one of my favorite apps. Go download it. Make sure to follow me on all my social media links. Everything will be listed down below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!